This video, we're going to use the complementary angle theorem to solve these problems 31 through 36. We use the complementary angle theorem when we have angles that are complementary, like 10 and 80 add together to be 90, and we have co-functions like secant and cosecant. So the co-functions of complementary angles are congruent. So in this case, secant of 10 degrees is the same as cosecant of 80 degrees. So just for consistency in this set of problems, I'm going to go down to the lower angle each time. It really doesn't matter which way you go, but I'm going to leave the 10 degrees alone. I'm going to change the cosecant to its cofunction secant. I'm going to change 80 degrees to its complementary angle 10 degrees, and these make a negative 1 over 1 is a negative 1. For number 32, cosecant squared of 15 minus tangent squared of 75. We're going to have cosecant squared of 15 minus, and then this is going to be cotangent squared of 15. Now we've got a fundamental identity at play here. When we had 1 plus cotangent squared is equal to cosecant squared. So cosecant squared minus cotangent squared is equal to 1. So this is just 1. Tan 20 degrees minus cosine of 70 degrees over cosine of 20 degrees. Tangent of 20 degrees minus sine of 20 degrees over cosine 20 degrees. Again, cosine becomes sine because the cofunction. 70 becomes 20 because it is the complementary angle. We're going to use our fundamental identity here to say sine over cosine is tangent, and that's 0. Cosine of 40 degrees, sine of 50 degrees, plus cosine of 40 degrees, sine of 50 degrees. Again, I'm going to bring all of the big ones down to small ones. So this could be cosine of 40 degrees times another cosine of 40 degrees plus cosine of 40 degrees times another cosine of 40 degrees, like so. Did I write that down right? No, I did not. This is sine 40 cosine of 50. So this is sine 40 sine 40. There we go. So this is cosine squared of 40 degrees plus sine squared of 40 degrees is going to be 1. Now, if tangent squared theta equals 3, find the exact value of secant squared. So 1 plus tangent squared theta equals 1 plus 3. Secant squared theta equals 4. I didn't actually need to use a complementary angle there. That was just a fundamental identity. And if tan theta equals 7, find the exact value of cotangent pi over 2 minus theta. Well, this is another way to talk about complementary angles, is that 90 minus theta is the complement to theta, because pi over 2 minus theta plus theta is going to be pi over 2, which is the same as 90 degrees. So they're complementary. So use the co-function like so, and tangent of theta has already been defined as 7. Okay, that's it for this section. We'll come back next time and solve some problems.